Assalamu alaikum dear students, my name is Saifullah and I welcome you all to STEM International। अपनी आज की इस वीडियो में हम ग्रेड 4 की कंप्यूटर की बुक कीपैड के चैप्टर नंबर 6 इंटरनेट को स्टडी करेंगे। इस चैप्टर में हम इंटरनेट के मुख्तलिफ यूजेस देखेंगे, इंटरनेट की दुनिया में इस्तेमाल होने वाली मुख्तलिफ टर्म्स को स्टडी करेंगे और इसके साथ ही हम मुख्तलिफ वेब ब्राउज़र्स को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे और सर्च इंजन्स के बारे में भी सीखेंगे। तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने चैप्टर नंबर 6 इंटरनेट की तरफ।
इंटरनेट popularly known as the net is one of the greatest scientific achievements of modern times. It has brought the entire world to our fingertips. The term internet is often described as an international network of computers connected worldwide. When many networks are connected to share information, it is called the internet. तो इंटरनेट एक ऐसा जाल है जो दुनिया में मौजूद तकरीबन तमाम कंप्यूटर्स का मजमुआ है। तमाम कंप्यूटर्स एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होकर ही इंटरनेट बनाते हैं। Uses of the internet. Some of the uses of the internet are: 1. We can buy and sell products on the internet. Online shopping. 2. We can book airline, railway, movie tickets. 3. We can get a lot of information on any topic on the internet. We can chat with people on the internet. We can pay bills through the internet. We can send messages known as emails to any part of the world. अब हम सीखते हैं इंटरनेट की कुछ हिस्ट्री के बारे में। History of the internet. The internet was initially known as ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. It was implemented by DoD, Department of Defense of the USA. Later, it connected different universities and defense organizations to share information on research and development in scientific and military fields. It was a big success. Subsequently, it was made available commercially to the people and has taken the shape of the present day internet. अब हम इंटरनेट की कुछ टर्म्स को सीखते हैं ताकि हम मजीद इंटरनेट के बारे में जान सकें। इंटरनेट टर्म्स. Let us learn about some important internet terms related to the internet. Web page. The pages that form the World Wide Web are known as web pages. A web page is created using a language called HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. These pages may contain text, images, videos, audio, and links to other pages. ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. An ISP is a company that provides internet access to the user. Some of the popular ISPs are PTCL, Stormfiber, Neatel, Wateen, Cybernet, and Transworld. Hyperlinks. The links that connects the one page to another is known as a hyperlink. Thus, a hyperlink allows you to move to some other web page with related. When you move mouse pointer over a hyperlink image or text, it changes a hand symbol. Clicking on the hyperlink takes you to a different page. The World Wide Web, WWW, is the part of internet made up of the web pages that can be viewed in a web browser. It is a collection of interconnected pages that contain text, pictures, audios, and videos. The various pages are connected using links and can be accessed through the internet by the people all over the world. तो इन हाइपरलिंक्स को इस्तेमाल करके हम एक वेब पेज या एक वेबसाइट से किसी दूसरे वेब पेज या किसी दूसरी वेबसाइट तक एक्सेस हासिल कर सकते हैं। शेयरेबल इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन द इंटरनेट इज कॉल्ड द वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब। World Wide Web is popularly known as the web or W3. हमारी next internet term है web browser. Information on a website is accessed using a special program called a web browser. A web browser is a software that lets you access the pages on the World Wide Web. Some popular browsers are Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Opera, Apple Safari, and UC Browser. Website. A website is a place on the internet where information is available. It is a collection of one or more related web pages linked together. Home page. Each website has a main page which contains links to other pages. When you visit any site, the first page that opens is called the home page. The home page of a website can be changed or updated by its owner. अब हम सीखेंगे URL के बारे में. The URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Every website or every web page has a unique address. The address of a website or web page is known as the URL. All the addresses start with either HTTP colon or HTTPS colon, where S stands for secures. You would find such an address on bank website in which money is involved. Some of the URLs are http www.discovery.com, http www.parkrail.gov.pk, http www.nationalgeographic.com, http www.history.com. Never leave a space in between the words letters while typing the URL of a website, and never leave any space while typing the URL of a website. तो इस तरीके से हम अपने URLs को टाइप करके किसी भी वेबसाइट को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. अब हम कुछ इंटरनेट की मजीद चीजों के बारे में जानते हैं. इंटरनेट इज अ वेरी यूजफुल टूल. However, at times it can also be dangerous and harmful. Some of the important safety tips are as follows. 1. Do not give your personal information like your address, your parents' contact number, name, location of your school, etc. without your parents' permission on the internet. 2. Do not send your pictures on the internet without asking your parents. 3. If you join a chat group with your parents' permission, you should never give out your password to anyone in that group. 4. Be polite and respectful of others online. 5. When you come across information that you do not like or is upsetting you, inform and discuss with your parents about the same. Accessing a web page using a browser. As a web browser is required to access a web page, we are using Internet Explorer as an example. Let us look at its general features. Starting Internet Explorer. To start Internet Explorer, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Start button. Step 2. Click the All Apps. Step 3. Click the Windows Accessories. Step 4. Select Internet Explorer. The Internet Explorer window opens. अब हम इस Internet Explorer के कुछ पार्ट्स के बारे में भी जानते हैं. Parts of Internet Explorer. The various parts of Internet Explorer are as follows. Back button, address bar, refresh button, forward button, favorite buttons, home buttons, tools button, inspector pane. Address bar. The URL of the website is entered in the address bar. After entering the URL, press the enter key. Back button. The back button takes us to the web page we are viewing before coming to the current page. Forward button. The forward button has the opposite function of the back button. It takes us forward to the next web page within a sequence of pages that we have already accessed. Refresh button. The refresh button is used to reload a web page. It can be used when the page has not displayed properly or to check and see if any changes have been made to a page since the last visit. यह आपके पूरे वेब पेज को दोबारा से रीलोड करता है. Favorites button. The favorites button is used to save the URL that we like and may want to visit later. If we want to make any URL favorite, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the favorite button. Step 2. Click on the add to favorites button. Step 3. The add a favorite dialog box appears. Click on the add button. ये बात जानना भी यहाँ पर कुछ जरूरी होगा कि सर टिम बर्नर्स-ली is the founder of World Wide Web. इन स्टेप्स को फॉलो करके the URL gets added to the list of favorites. You can click on it to access the website. अब हम सीखते हैं Tools बटन के बारे में. Tools button allows the user to use features like print, history, etc. Home button. It is used to open the home page of the browser. This is usually the first page you see when you open the browser. ब्राउजर के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स तो हमने पढ़ लिए. अब हम सीखते हैं सर्च इंजन्स के बारे में. A web search engine is a website that helps us search for information on the World Wide Web. Search engines allow the user to enter a keyword related to the information we require and search the websites containing particular information. These websites are popularly known as search engines. These search results are usually presented as a list of links. The links may point to text, images, audio or video files. Examples of search engines are Google, जिसका URL है http://www.google.com और Bing, http://www.bing.com. To search any information on the net, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the browser and go to the search engine website. Step 2. Enter the word, phrase or sentence related to the information that you want to search for. Step 3. Click the hyperlinks that the search engine shows as results.
जी तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये था हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 6 इंटरनेट. इस चैप्टर में हमने बहुत सी न्यू चीज़ें डिस्कवर की. एक दफ़ा इस चैप्टर को रिव्यू करते हैं.
Review. The term Internet stands for International Network. It is a huge network of computers around the world. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. An ISP is a company that provides internet access to the users. www stands for World Wide Web. It is a collection of interconnected pages that contain text, pictures, audios, and videos. The link that connects one page to another is known as a hyperlink. Clicking on the hyperlink takes you to a different page. The location where the information is available on the web is called a website. It is a collection of one or more related web pages linked together. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. The address of a website or a web page is known as the URL.